Hi guys, so today's video I am going to be sharing with you what is in my purse, but also talking about my purse too, because this is the cutest purse I've ever had in my entire life. I like to do this really weird thing, and I feel like I'm probably the only one, but I only have one handbag. And I carry it with me throughout the entire year. I keep my old ones still because sometimes I'll go back to them and not buy a handbag, but I usually just have one. And so when I go to pick out the handbag, it has to be absolutely perfect, and it has to have that timeless look that I feel I can wear throughout the entire year, through every single season. This is Teddy Blake. It is in the style Cara Saffiano. It's nice and structured, and it says Teddy Blake right there front and center. So the inside has a zipper pocket here, but then also a little like envelope type pocket that you can put stuff in. So yeah, it's pretty spacious actually for being so small. It's just amazing, durable, really good quality. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the bottom too. This is my new baby. Like, I've never been so excited about a purse in my life. Like, it's a little bit too perfect. First up, I like to carry sunglasses so I can just throw them on whenever I need to. These are aviators in brown with a gold trim. I love them. They're from glassesusa.com. Little makeup bag. This is from Laura Mercier, and I only keep necessities in here, so it just kind of like flips up like that. And inside I have an e.l.f. brush, foundation blurring brush, the Benefit Hola bronzer. So what I do with this is I will leave the house and then I'll look at my makeup out in natural daylight, and I'll notice that my skin, like my body, is lighter than my face. It happens all the time, so I'll just whip this bronzer out, get some of this on the brush, do my neck, do my chest, whatever part of my body like here is showing. I also keep this in my makeup bag. It is a scrunchie, very gentle on the hair. It never pulls or tugs it out, and I like to use this when I'm hot and I just want to pull my hair up into a ponytail or into a loose bun. Hush Hush or Undercover from the Buxom Full-On Lip Liners. So this one's Undercover. Birthday Suit from Too Faced. This is perfect. It is so incredibly creamy. And then this lip liner, it lasts all day. Like, you can drink stuff, you could kiss, you could do whatever. It'll like stay on. Neutrogena Lip Moisturizer with Sunscreen SPF 15. Tiny little tweezers. These are from Benefit. So tiny. And eyelash glue from Kiss. It's the can't speak, strip lash adhesive, in case I happen to be wearing eyelashes and they are falling off, so that I can fix them. But sometimes I don't feel like doing that, and I'd rather just rip them off and then put on some mascara instead. So for that, I'll use the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I like this because it's in like a smaller tube. It's really easy to use, and it gives your lashes really nice, like natural volume and lift. These Wet n Wild On Your Matte Oil Absorbing Blotting Papers. Definitely a must-have, I feel, because my skin gets, it's a combination, it gets really oily in the T-zone area throughout the day if I'm wearing like a really hydrating dewy primer underneath my foundation, or if I'm wearing a more like natural finish dewy kind of foundation. Sometimes I find I have to do a little bit of blotting, so I like to keep those in there too. And that's it for what's in here. I like to keep mints with me anytime before I'm about to see family or friends. I just like to make sure that my breath smells fresh. I'm not a gum chewer. I like mints better. I feel like they work really well and they taste good. So I got this tiny little box from Briogeo. They had sent me a bunch of mints, but I've been refilling it with just Tic Tacs in the original flavor. But I like this little tin. It's cute, so I keep it. I think ever since I've done the very first What's in My Bag on this YouTube channel, like 8 years ago, I'm not even kidding, I think this was the wallet that I had. I've just kept it because I've never found a wallet that is more me. I love this zipper detail. I love the structured square type look, and it fits everything in here perfectly. So I'll usually put change in here, and then when you open it, there are all of my credit cards and things. It's a little dirty in there, and then in the pocket here you can keep money and stuff. So yeah, it's a perfect size, and I like that it's really thin too, so it doesn't take up too much room. I also keep in here deodorant because I have a really bad anxiety sweating problem. I sweat all the time throughout the entire day. I sweat when I work out. I sweat when I'm just sitting here. Right now, I'm sweating. I sweat when I'm editing. I sweat all the time. It's just like honestly the most annoying thing ever. So I have tried to use this for the past 2 weeks. It's the Certain Dry Everyday Strength All Day Protection Solid. It is an antiperspirant deodorant in Morning Fresh. I just think about every time I leave the house and I'm in the car, I'm like, did I put deodorant on today? Well, if I didn't, I have it with me. If I need a little extra, I got it with me. A tiny little flashlight that I think I got on Amazon, and I like to use this for, you know, anytime I'm going outside with my dog Coda and I just want to be able to see her better. If I am grocery shopping, I can't see my purse and I need to like make sure that I got my keys in there or whatever, you know, like there's so many times where I've needed to use this little flashlight. I also have a Swiss Army knife, and this I think I got from Amazon as well. It's nice. It has like a tiny little knife. Then it also has a nail file and scissors that I love to use for eyelashes, by the way, to trim off the ends. And lastly, the most coolest thing, a toothpick. I use this all the time. Go get Chipotle, I get some chicken in my teeth, and I can just pick it out. So easy. And then lastly, on this little keychain here, I have my Spyderco knife. It's just like a mini knife. So cute. I use this for opening packages. Anything really. I mean, I've used this a lot for many different things, but personally I just like to have the knife with me at all times. And also in here I keep some snacks. This one is actually a meal replacement bar, so I eat every 2 to 3 hours. And usually when I go out, I'm out for that amount of time and I start getting really hungry. And if I don't want to have fast food and I don't want to eat out at a restaurant, then I will go for one of these. It's the MedRx Big 100 Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. I like this flavor. It's not my favorite though. My favorite flavor from this brand, and this is my favorite brand for protein bars ever, but my favorite flavor is the Apple Crisp, and then I also really love the Super Cookie one. Those two aren't the best, but this one's not bad either. It has 360 calories in it, 5 grams of fat, 52 carbs, and 28 grams of protein. So the macros are amazing, and that's the issue I have with other protein bars, is there's just not enough protein. Like, I need more protein in there, and I like that the fat is low as well. Absolutely love these. Also, I keep almonds with me if, you know, maybe I'm out and we decide that we are gonna eat, but just not yet, and I need to hold off for like 30 more minutes, then I'll just kind of eat a few of these little almonds here. And these are nice. They're unsalted. It holds you over. It makes you feel full. They're full of fiber. And yeah, I think they taste actually pretty good. I love munching on them. So I like to keep those in my purse too. I've been prepping for my summer vacation, so I've been doing cardio every single day. I'm up to about 40 minutes every day right now, and I've been doing workouts about like 4 times a week, so I'm pretty much just like always in the gym. And I like to have this water bottle with me because you can just squirt this into your mouth instead of having to like undo a cap and then drink it like that. So it's also nice when I'm filming and I'm wearing lipstick, and I can just squirt it in my mouth and not have to worry about messing my makeup up. It's just from Under Armour. I got it as like a gift a few years ago, probably from Target or something like that. Yeah, our summer vacation is in 2 weeks. So I've been trying my hardest to prep for it without losing too much weight too fast. So it's been, I think, about like a month and a half now. I've only lost 5 pounds, but I definitely feel like a lot leaner, like a lot more toned. I feel like you can see my muscles a little bit better. A little bit more muscle definition in my arms, and my abs are kind of coming through a little bit. I'd say maybe like fit 5 to 10 more pounds and I'll be like happy, at a good leanness, at a good spot, but I just didn't prep in time. If you guys want me to update you on my fitness life, please let me know. All right, and then in this little envelope type pocket, I just have paper towels. I think this is just one folded up, just in case, you know, things spill. You never know when you need it. And then in the envelope side, or not the envelope side, the zipper side, I have a notepad and a pen because I like to write my grocery lists down before I go shopping to make sure I get everything I need. I have a tampon here. I think this is just Tampax. I usually have a panty liner in there too. And then I also have my house key just in case we forget our keys. You know, that happens. Sometimes I walk out and I'm like ready to drive away and I realize I don't have my keys. So this one's just like the home key that stays in my bag at all times, never leaves this pocket. And then I also like to keep just a tiny little perfume in here in case, you know, I want to smell nice. This one is just from like a Birchbox or something where they, you know, give you the little sample sizes. It is Vanilla Apricots by Comptoir Sud Pacifique Paris. Yep, we don't know how to say any of that. But it smells good. It's like a nice little floral everyday scent. So yeah, guys, that is everything that is in my handbag that I like to keep in there. It kind of seems like a lot, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, but I think it fits in there nicely, and I still even have some room to put other things in there if I wanted to. I won't, though, but I mean, those are the necessities. Those are the things that I feel like I need when I leave the house. So on to the giveaway now. This is the handbag I'm going to be giving away to one person. Let me unwrap it. It's really cute. So it is pink and red. Oh my gosh, it is huge. Like if you're looking for a summer bag, this is the one. I just want to show you guys how, there's 3 of them. I want to show you how much space is in here. I don't know if this bag, okay, so you can take this little baggie out, or you can use it to divide everything inside. So there is just, oh my gosh, so much space. So yeah, you could bring this to the beach just on any vacation, or you could just wear it as a cute little everyday bag for a nice pop of color. So if you guys would like to win this, then all you have to do is comment down below. You can literally say anything. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up, and that's it. That's all you have to do. I would appreciate it if you guys could also check out my social media accounts like my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I will link those down below. It's not part of the giveaway. You do not have to follow me there or anything. I just wanted to throw that out there that I do have those if you'd like to follow me around on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go package this back up now. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check out teddyblake.com if you are interested in a handbag for yourselves. Don't forget to use the coupon code TBKayleigh20 for $20 off, and again, they're also having a 35% off sale site-wide, so make sure you shop now before the sale goes away. And also my coupon code is gonna go away as well, so make sure that you do it now if you guys want a handbag. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a what's in my handbag. This is my new baby, and I got it from Teddy Blake. It is called the, oh wait, I forgot what it's called. So let me show you guys what I have in here. First up are these sunglasses. They're from Glasses USA. Traditional aviators in brown with gold trim. I really like these. I feel like they go well with the blonde highlights, and I will usually just, you know, throw these on. Throw them on, like, I mean, what else am I gonna do with them? I think they're perfect for summertime and wintertime. Wow. What do I say? I'm just gonna not say anything at all. That's what's gonna happen. These are sunglasses. That is it. First are these sunglasses. They're from Glasses USA. They are just traditional aviators in brown with gold trim. I love them. I wear them all the time, and they're just easy to throw into my bag and wear whenever the sun is in my eyes. Right. Oh man, somebody help me. It's funny, this is a water bottle I have right now. It's from Under Armour, and I just personally have been really liking to squirt it into my mouth. Ooh. Before I go shopping, make sure I get everything I need. I have a tampon here. These are just Tampax. Super size. I bleed a lot. Oh, by the way, if anyone wants to know where this shirt is from, it is Dolls Kill, because I know sometimes you guys ask me where my shirts are from. It's Dolls Kill. What are you doing? Why do you sit there and not on the couch? It's kind of weird. It's kind kind of weird. Yes, do it. You only get away with this because you're cute. You know that, right?